Paper. I would like to share with you my research on entrepreneurial ingenuity, voluntary social responsibility, and inclusive innovation conducted with my co-authors, Benson Honig from McMaster University and Javid Nafari from McMaster as well. And Anna Siqueira from William Patterson University. And I would like to share with you the topic of our research. If we could go to the next slide. What we mean by inclusive innovation. We understand the importance of creating new products and services processes in organizations. And what we are trying to address is also not only the intention of generating innovations for very diverse social groups, but also by these diverse individuals as well, as part of the creative process. And we focus on a community of small women-led businesses, the context of women-led businesses conducting their businesses in situations of constraints. And in particularly, we looked at the context of the disruptions caused by business environmental transformations, such as our pandemic. And we focus on women in Canada and in the United States. And the businesses were in various industries, such as restaurant businesses, local services, personal services. And our perspective that we are utilizing to examine this context is entrepreneurial ingenuity, which combines creativity and innovation. Creativity in the sense of generating new ideas, innovation transforming those ideas into products and services, but at the same time within constraints, various types of constraints, including structural, such as poverty, or business environmental disruption, such as the pandemic, resource, time constraints, and within also the context of adopting voluntary social responsibility. If we could go to the next slide, thank you. We particularly focus on the possibility of entrepreneurial ingenuity in facilitating the process of inclusive innovation, not only to generate more affordable products for underrepresented groups, but their involvement in developing these new adjustments, new ways to provide those services. We employ the qualitative research design based on interviews, and we analyze with the JOIA methodology, which integrates induction and abduction. We interviewed 38 women entrepreneurs from 2020 to 2022 in Canada and the United States. And our mechanisms that we noticed for them to develop those innovations was three types of endeavors. One is reflecting on the meaning of constraints, transforming the constraints into opportunities, rebalancing definitions of success, transcending that goal in terms of economic growth to well-being, to balance family, time with family, and integrating the well-being of diverse stakeholders and beneficiaries, and thus envisioning their businesses as a way to bring contributions for themselves, but also uplifting others as well. And what we also found important from our results was that small businesses that are not typically in the category of impact businesses, but they are providing services in their communities, they can also serve the purpose of bringing that transformation, not only for themselves, their families, but also for others through these mechanisms, reflecting on the meaning of their challenges, viewing them as catalysts, rebalancing success by using inclusive measures of success, not only financial, but also well-being and a balance in their lives, and integrating the well-being of diverse stakeholders and beneficiaries. Thank you very much.